Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi TT MK2 door panel. First, ensure your car is completely off and the window is lowered for easier access. Begin by gently prying off the small trim piece located near the interior door handle. A plastic trim tool works best here. Once that's removed, you'll see two Torx screws. Use the correct size Torx bit to carefully unscrew and remove them, setting them aside safely. Next, focus on the door handle area. There's usually one more screw hidden behind the handle itself. Remove this carefully. Before proceeding, gently disconnect any electrical connectors that are now visible, such as those for the window switch or mirror controls. Take your time to ensure you don't damage the wiring or the connectors. Double-check the perimeter of the door panel for any other hidden screws or clips that might be holding it in place. Now, it's time to detach the main panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. You'll hear the plastic clips releasing as you work your way around the perimeter. Once all clips are free, gently lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This motion helps to disengage it from the window channel and the top edge of the door. With the panel lifted, you'll likely find the door handle cable and possibly a few more electrical connectors still attached. Carefully disconnect these last few items. Once everything is free, set the door panel aside in a safe place where it won't get scratched or damaged. When you're ready to reassemble, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips align and engage properly for a secure fit. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.